sprung here in Philadelphia. We're in the Callowhill neighborhood of Philadelphia, which is walking distance to both Center City and Chinatown. This is a really unique neighborhood. And now that the weather's beautiful, it brings everybody outside. You want to try new things, you want to explore different places. We have a great segment planned today. I'm your host, Colleen O'Hara. We're going to talk a little bit more about Callowhill neighborhood. I love that the old factories were rehabbed into loft buildings. There's great brew pubs in the area, coffee shops, small businesses. It's a really unique neighborhood. We're going to go check out Callowhill Archery. It's an indoor archery range right here in the middle of Center City, Philadelphia. Let's go meet with the staff and learn more about it. So we are here with Ray Caba. Ray, thank you for taking time out of your day today to tell us more about Callowhill Archery. I understand that this building used to be a tofu factory.
Yes, it was.
Tofu?
Yes, it was.
That's amazing. So Ray, you are the head instructor for archery here. What is your experience with archery?
Well, the thing is that I've been shooting quite a long time, and my first tournament was many years ago, and I won. It was called the Delaware State Championship.
Oh, nice.
And that was my stepping stone.
Okay.
And ever since, I've been going uphill. Right?
Nice. Now, you teach classes here.
Yes, I do.
Okay. You don't have to have any kind of like prior experience or skills or anything?
No.
Okay.
I had my youngest student was 3 years old.
No way.
Yes.
And they could?
Yes.
Wow, that's amazing. That had to be fun to work with somebody.
Oh yeah.
So from beginner to experienced, you can teach.
Right.
So if you're here at Callowhill, once you take a class, then you can rent space. You can just come in and target practice when you want to.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. We require everybody to go through a safety course.
I also understand that there's going to be a tournament. You guys host tournaments?
Yes, we do.
You can do competitive archery here as well.
Right. And also on Monday nights we have what is called an archery league.
Oh.
Where people just come in to shoot and have fun.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah.
Do you think you can show us some things? Maybe we could try some archery?
Sure, I can do. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, you're going to put 3 fingers underneath, curl. Okay, raise your arms up and out, and pull back to the same spot in your face. All right, look down, put the point in the middle, and release when you're ready.
That was so much fun. I loved meeting the staff and instructors, the students, loved doing the archery, shooting the arrows. How fun, what a great group of people. Next, we're gonna stop by one of my listings, a short 25-minute ride from here. We are here at one of my newest listings here on Perkins Lane in Edgewater Park. One of my favorite features about this beautiful house is the adorable Christmas tree farm across the street. You don't get that with all the properties. Some of the things that I love about this property is it's been updated throughout. There's an updated kitchen, 2 completely updated bathrooms throughout, new flooring, fresh paint, crown molding, shadow box, wood trim. There are 4 bedrooms, closets and storage that you can't even imagine, an amazing utility room, mud room, gorgeous brick fireplace. There's so much that this house offers. I had such a great day today. I had so much fun over at Callowhill Archery. A special thanks to Ray Caba and the instructors and the students let us hop in on their class. A great opportunity to show off this beautiful listing here on Perkins Lane in Edgewater Park. I had a great day. I hope you enjoyed it too. Thanks for joining me. Stay tuned for the next segment. I'm your host, Colleen O'Hara with The American Dream.